Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in this lecture, we will discuss about some miscellaneous questions on trigonometric functions. So the first question given to us is if sin x is equals to 3 by 5 and cos y is equals to minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant. Find sin x plus y. So how to proceed students with these type of questions? So first we have to find out the value of sin x plus y. So I will use directly the formula which is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, and we also know that sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. Okay, so as we know the value of sin x, we can find out the value of cos x by using 1 minus sin square x using this. So what we are getting is cos x, this is 1 minus 3 by 5, which is coming out to be 1 minus 9 by 25, it is plus minus 4 by 5, and x lies in the second quadrant after school to college. Okay, so sign here will be positive, so the and cos is negative here, so what we get is cos x will be minus 4 by 5. Okay, so we get the value of cos x, we know sin x. Okay, and we are know the value of cos y, and we have to find out sin y. So by using this formula again, we can find out the value of sin y. So that will be 1 minus minus 12 by 13 square. So this is coming out to be students sin y plus minus 5 by 13. So in the second quadrant it should be positive, so we get the value as 5 by 13. So now we know all the values of sin x, cos y, cos x, sin y. Okay, by putting all the values here in this formula, we can get the value of sin x plus y, which will be sin x plus y, which is sin x is 3 by 5 given to us, and cos y is also given to us minus 12 by 13, plus cos x is minus 4 by 5 into sin y is 5 by 13. So what we are getting is minus 56 by 65. So students, in this way you can find out the value of any trigonometric functions by remembering this in which quadrant the function is lying and by using the formulas. Okay, so these are the types of miscellaneous questions. Now let's move to another question. So student, the question given to us here is find out the value of tan pi by 8. So we know that the value of x is pi by 8 here, and how we will proceed with these type of questions. So we will use the formula of tan 2x here, which is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So we know after multiplying tan 2x, what we will get is tan 2 times pi by 8 is 2 tan pi by 8 upon 1 minus tan square pi by 8, and 2 pi by 8 is pi by 4, which is 1. So can I assume tan pi by 8 as x? So it is 2x upon 1 minus x square. Now it is a quadratic equation, student, where x square minus 1 plus 2x. Okay, and you have to solve this quadratic equation, and you will get the roots as minus b, 1 plus minus b square, 1 minus 4 b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is take this in standard term. So this will be minus b x is equals to minus 2 plus minus b square 4 minus 4 times plus 4 upon 2. So minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 upon 2. So this we are getting minus 1 plus minus root 2. Okay students, but as you know that pi by 8 will lie in the first quadrant and here is all positive, so our answer should be positive. So the value of x will be minus 1 plus root 2 means, or you can say it is root 2 minus 1, because the value of root 2 is 1.414, minus 1 will be 0.414. Okay, so student, what we are getting is tan pi by 8 is root 2 minus 1. So these are some miscellaneous examples which I have discussed now. Now I hope that you guys can easily solve the questions based on this. And if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then please do comment in the comment section, student. I will be happy to help you guys there. Okay, and stay tuned for in the next lecture. I will be starting a new chapter named as complex numbers. Okay, so stay tuned for the next lecture on complex numbers. And if you have still any doubt, then please do comment in the comment section and enjoy the learning experience with Scholars Learning. Thank you.